I state Sam Palafian's 3 rules of great performance to my students all the time. Everything we play must be in tune, in time, and highly musical. To that end, the holy trinity of practice aids, which are the tuner, the metronome, and the recording device, are so important that I don't think the achievement of great performance is possible without using them. In this video, I'm going to be showing you clips from 2 of my practice sessions that strive to demonstrate an effective use of these devices at the same time. Now about the materials I'll be using. For my tuner and recording device, I'll be using the Tonal Energy app on my iPhone. A fun note about this, you can actually play the last recording you've made while the tuning window is open, thus tracking your intonation while listening back to your recording. To keep time, I'll be using my Dr. Beat DB90. I recommend that if you want to use these 3 practice aids simultaneously, that you use at least 2 machines to do them. And the music I'll be playing is the 3rd movement from Joseph Horovitz's Euphonium Concerto. I would describe this piece as more a test of fundamental skill than as a display for showmanship, so really precise playing will be extremely necessary. While I was playing, I certainly noticed the notes that I missed because of a lack of coordination. But it wasn't until I listened back to the recording a couple times that I also noticed inconsistent intonation, as well as some quick notes that sounded stuck together. Using these observations, I determined some strategies for practicing this section. Patience and persistence are 2 very closely linked virtues that are vital for improvement at any skill. When it comes to improving in a major piece for tuba or euphonium, this means that the performer must accept that the process of recording, listening back, and practicing using the results will have to be repeated a number of times before real, tangible improvement is made. That's very normal, and it's nothing to be too concerned about. Using these 3 devices at the same time, the metronome to keep in time, the tuner to center your intonation, and the recording device to listen to the results, is very taxing. But at the same time, it's probably the best way of practicing known to anyone, and the results are worth it.